Welcome to Growth Boost Daily. Are you ready to unlock your potential and improve your life through the power of knowledge? In today's video, we dive into the best-selling book, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book isn't just about what you know about money, it's about how you behave. Money decisions aren't made in spreadsheets, but in real life, influenced by our personal histories, emotions, and experiences. Stay with us as we break down key insights from this book, actionable tips, and the wealth strategies that can transform how you manage money. Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money teaches us that financial success isn't necessarily about intelligence or knowledge. It's about behavior. Even the smartest people can make poor financial decisions if they let emotions, ego, or personal biases get in the way. Housel uses 19 short stories to explore how people think about money and how you can shift your mindset to improve your financial decisions. One of the most important lessons Housel emphasizes is that wealth is what you don't see. True wealth isn't about owning flashy cars or big houses, it's about the money you save and invest. This hidden wealth provides long-term security and freedom. While many people focus on outward displays of wealth, the true key to financial success is building savings and investments over time. Housel also explores the powerful force of compounding. He explains that building wealth isn't just about making the right investments, but about allowing those investments to grow over time. Compounding works best with patience. Invest early, invest consistently, and give your investments time to grow exponentially. This is why long-term investing in diversified assets is crucial for financial success. The book also stresses the importance of behavioral discipline. Even when people understand the value of long-term investing, they often fall into traps of fear, greed, and impatience. For instance, selling stocks during a market dip due to fear, or trying to time the market to maximize gains. These behaviors undermine the benefits of compounding and long-term investing. Housel provides practical strategies, such as investing in low-cost index funds for the long term. This is a low-risk, diversified investment approach that takes advantage of broad market growth without trying to time individual stocks or markets. The key is patience and consistent investment, no matter what the market does. Finally, saving more than you spend is fundamental to financial success. Housel highlights that no matter how much you earn, if you don't save, you won't build wealth. This is why consistent savings, no matter how small, are critical. The money you save today is what will support you in the future. Have you ever found yourself making emotional money decisions or struggling to stick to a long-term investment plan? Share your experiences in the comments below. How do you manage your money behavior? Now, let's explore actionable tips from The Psychology of Money that you can start using today to manage your money better and build lasting wealth. 1. Start early and let compounding work. The sooner you start investing, the more you allow compounding to do its magic. Even small investments made early in life can grow exponentially over time. Set up automatic monthly contributions to your savings or investment accounts, and let time do the heavy lifting. 2. Invest consistently, no matter the market. Instead of trying to time the market, focus on consistent investing. Regular contributions to your investments, even during downturns, help you take advantage of market rebounds and lower cost opportunities. Set it and forget it. Let your investments grow. 3. Save more than you spend. Wealth comes from consistently saving more than you spend. Track your expenses and set a goal to increase your savings rate over time. This habit builds financial security and ensures you have a safety net for the future. 4. Diversify your investments. Housel recommends a low-risk, diversified portfolio, particularly low-cost index funds, which allow you to benefit from overall market growth. Diversification helps manage risk and ensures that your wealth grows over time without unnecessary speculation. Which of these tips resonates with you the most? Have you implemented any of these strategies in your financial life? Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know how you're building your financial future. In summary, Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money teaches us that financial success is less about what you know and more about how you behave. By focusing on long-term goals, managing your emotions, saving consistently, and investing in diversified, low-cost funds, you can build lasting wealth. The key takeaway: financial behavior, patience, and discipline are the keys to mastering your money mindset. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Growth Boost Daily for more life-changing insights on personal growth, wealth-building strategies, and self-improvement. Don't forget to ring the bell to get notified when we release new content. See you next time.